Good morning, students. Now let us learn about principles of ecology. Why do plants, animals vary with places? What are the causes of variation in biological diversity of different places? How soil, climate, and other physical features affect the fauna and flora? For all these questions, this can be studied with the ecology. In this chapter, we shall study about ecology, ecological factors, ecological adaptation, and dispersal of seeds and fruits. What is ecology? Ecology is the division of biology which deals with the study of environment in relation to organisms. The term ecology is derived from two Greek words, oikos meaning house or dwelling place, logos meaning study. It was first proposed by Rayter in the year 1868 and it was widely accepted by another scientist, Ernst Haeckel, in the year 1869. Alexander von Humboldt is called as the father of ecology. Eugene P. Odum, he is called the father of modern ecology. R. Mishra is called the father of Indian ecology. Definitions for ecology was given by many scientists. In the year 1885, Rayter defined ecology is the study of living organisms, both plants and animals, in the natural habitats or home. In the year 1889, Ernst Haeckel defined ecology is the study of reciprocal relationship between living organisms and the environment. Now let us learn about ecological hierarchy. Establishment of grouping of organisms is called as ecological hierarchy. It is also known as ecological levels of organisms. The basic or lowest unit of ecological hierarchy is an individual organisms. The different ecological hierarchy are individual organism, population, community, ecosystem, landscape, biome, and biosphere. Here, individual organisms together making population. Population make the community and forms the ecosystem. Ecosystem forms the landscape, and from the landscape to biome and the biome to the biosphere. Now let us see about the branches of ecology. Ecology is mainly divided into two branches. They are autecology and synecology. Autecology is the ecology of individual species. It's also called as species ecology. Synecology is the population of community with one or more species. It's also called as community ecology. Now let us learn about the habitat and niche. Habitat is a specific physical place or locality occupied by an organism or any species which has a particular combination of abiotic or environmental factors. The environment of any community is called biotype. Niche refers to an organism placed in the biotic environment and its functional role in an ecosystem. The term niche was coined by the naturalist Roswell Hill Johnson. Niche was first used by Grinnell in the year 1917. The habitat and niche of an organism is called ecotype. Now differentiate habitat and the niche. Habitat, it is a specific physical place occupied by an organism. Niche, it's a functional space occupied by an organism in the same ecosystem. Next, habitat. The same habitat is shared by many organisms. Niche, a single niche is occupied by a single species. Habitat specificity is exhibited by an organism. In the niche, organisms may change with time and season. Now let us learn about ecological equivalence. Taxonomically, two different species occupying similar habitats but live in different geographical regions are called as ecological equivalence. For example, some species of epiphytic orchids of Western Ghats of India differ from the epiphytic orchids of South America, but both are epiphytes.